Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire ICE CONTAINER ASSY, part number 53045227717. The Frigidaire ICE Container ASSY, part number 53045227717 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is the ice container assembly, which includes the ice bucket, auger, and chute. The ice container assembly is responsible for storing and dispensing ice cubes from the refrigerator. It also helps to keep the refrigerator cold by circulating cold air around the ice cubes. The 53045222717 part number is used to identify this specific part and can be used to order a replacement if needed. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged ice container assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can help fix issues such as ice not dispensing properly, ice cubes not forming correctly, ice container leaking water, ice container not sealing properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the ice bin from the freezer compartment. 3. Remove any screws that are holding the old ice container in place. 4. Carefully lift out the old ice container and discard it. 5. Place the new Frigidaire ICE Container ASSY, part number 53045227717 into position in the freezer compartment and secure it with any screws that were removed earlier. 6. Plug in the refrigerator and test 2. Make sure it is working properly before replacing any food items into the freezer compartment. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.